Hi, welcome again. This is Miguel from YYOGA, and I am here to teach you a very special meditation. So today we are going to be learning about the mantra Soham. This is a very special mantra, accessible for everyone who wants to practice mantra with their meditation. And the literal meaning of Soham is I am that. Um, Mantras are very powerful words that our understanding in this world goes beyond to anything that they could potentially mean. It is a literal connection with the divine. So, if you don't feel comfortable with repeating the mantra, Soham, you can repeat the words I am. So, throughout a certain moment of the practice, I will invite you to repeat this mantra. So, with the inhalation and hum with the exhalation. This will happen internally. So, you don't need to vocalize the mantra, you just need to remember it in your head. So, with the inhale and hum with the exhale. Okay, great. Now, why do we practice this mantra? This is a mantra to return yourself to a sense of being. I am that. I am that being of light. I am that pure being that exists beyond any conflict, any stress, any worries, any labels. So I hope you enjoy. Let's close our eyes, bring your hands on your knees, and get comfortable. Slowly begin to bring your attention into the breath. And eventually you'll find that the breath on its own find its perfect rhythm. The more you relax, the more you allow yourself to be present with calm and tranquility. To start with, bring your attention to the head, crown of the head, temples, forehead, and eyes, and relax. Now bring your attention to the throat, to the shoulders, upper arms, lower arms, hands, palm of the hands, fingers, and relax completely. Even sense a sense of warmth, relax the palm of the hands, the fingertips, moving back the lower arms, elbow, upper arms, and shoulders. Feel your chest relax. Feel your navel relax. Lower belly, your organs. Feel your organs relax in the space of the body. Feel your hips relax, your thighs, your knees, your calves, ankles, sole of the feet and toes relax. The whole body relax. Feel your ankles, calves, Knees, inner thighs, hips relax. Feel the navel, inner organs, chest, heart, and lungs relax. Feel the throat relax. Feel your head, the eyes, and the space behind the eyes to relax as well. Now bring your attention to the nostril that you feel dominant. There is one nostril that you feel that you can breathe with more accessibility. And just let your mind observe for a couple of breaths that particular nostril only, as if the breath would happen only in the nostril that it's completely free. Now turn your attention to the nostril that feels more restricted. And allow yourself to feel the breath happening only in that nostril. Your mind is just aware of one nostril, the less dominant one. Now, for the next stage of the practice, and throughout the rest of the practice, we'll begin to use the mantra Soham. And we'll add one element of mental alternate nostril breath. So you'll visualize the breath ascending through the left nostril with the sound So, and you'll see the breath descend through the right with the sound Hum. You inhale, visualizing right nostril only sound So, and you exhale through the left nostril, internal listening of the sound Hum. Please continue for about 2 minutes. Mental practice of alternate nostril breathing with the ascending breath and the sound So. Exhale Hum. Please continue. One more minute. The mantra, the sound of the mantra arises in the mind, coming out of silence. And when we repeat this mantra in coordination with the mental practice of alternate nostril breathing, we create a powerful effect of connection with the mind, the breath, and the mantra. Next time you finish the cycle, you let go of the mental practice of alternate nostril breath, but not of the sound Soham. So with the inhale, observing both nostrils as one, ascending through the center of the forehead, and hum from the center of the forehead to the nostril area. So now the experience of my breath has unified into one single channel, and I still feel or hear the sound so with the inhalation, with the exhalation. Please keep going for about a minute or so. My awareness moves from the base of the nostrils to the center of the forehead and backwards. So please repeat a few more rounds. While still mentally repeating the mantra, the next time your inhalation takes you to the center of the forehead, drop your attention to the base of the spine and continue. As I inhale, my attention moves from the base of the spine to the center of the forehead with the sound so. And as I exhale, from the center of the forehead to the base of the spine with the sound hum. Please continue. So, with the inhale, from the base of the spine to the center of the forehead, from the center of the forehead, with every breath to the base of the spine. 1 minute like this, please. And your awareness sweeps the spine, moving back and forward as the mantra unfolds. Next time your inhalation takes you into the third eye with the sound so, you'll finish with the mantra Hum staying in the center of the forehead. Without letting go of the mantra Soham, you'll keep repeating the sound while resting in the third eye center. So with the inhale, awareness in the center of the forehead, third eye. With the exhale. I am that. I am that being of light. Please continue. in silence for the next 2 minutes, just repeating internally the mantra Soham, fully immersed in the experience of being. I am that being of light. Slowly begin to deepen your breath and gradually begin to bring your attention back to your body, gathering this sense of uniqueness of me, a sense that you are complete beyond any challenges in the world. Begin to rub your hands, create some heat, and place that heat on top of your eyes. Begin to draw your awareness back into the world to project that light to others. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.